All right, it's time to plant some onions. I believe these are a type of yellow onion, but I planted my red onions the same way. And I did start these onions from seed. And I'm gonna plant them in this area right here between these leeks that overwintered from last year. And this will be plenty of space for these 4 onions. So what I like to do is just kind of dig a trench like so. Make a nice trench, make it pretty deep because onions can be planted decently deep because the bulb is going to get pretty big and push up out of the ground pretty much anyway. So kind of just dig a trench like this. And I always put organic fertilizer in the planting hole or planting trench as this is. And I bought this at Walmart. So I just take a handful and then I just sprinkle it in like so. And then just mix it into the soil a bit like this. Organic fertilizer is really nice because the generator will never burn your plants. All right, take your onions out of the container and then go ahead and separate them. These will be pretty easy because there's not that many in here. Onions are pretty tough though, and you could always just pull the roots apart like that. And there they are, perfect little onion. Now just start laying them in the trench like so. I don't know, I space them maybe, I don't know, it's like 6 inches apart, I think. It's enough for the bulb to get big so they don't touch each other because they need space. And I'm kind of just pushing them into that mixed up soil right there like so. And you kind of see how I have them spaced. I guess it's about 6 inches. Then just start backfilling your soil in over your onions like so. And straighten them up while you're doing it. Pat the soil down around them. Not very hard, just to firm it up. And there they are, all planted. Now the next thing you're going to want to do is water them in. And I always use like a water-soluble type fish fertilizer to give them a good head start. And always remember, onions kind of like a looser soil. If you like gardening and plant content, do me a favor and click that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, everyone.